First, run the top command to check the memory usage. As shown, the PHP process uses the most memory. It's consuming more than 37 megabytes of the memory. Let's run the ps command for more details about this process. We can see it is the standard PHP binary executable shipped with the Linux distribution. Let's use OpenResty X-Ray to check out this unmodified process. We can analyze it in real time and figure out where exactly is the memory spent. Open the OpenResty X-Ray web console in the web browser. Make sure it is the right machine you are watching. You can change machine from the list below. Go to the guided analysis page. Here, you can see different types of problems that you can diagnose. Let's select high memory usage. Click on Next. Select the PHP application. Select the process that consumes more than 35 megabytes of the memory. This is what we saw previously in top. Make sure that the application type is right. Usually, the default should be correct. OpenResty X-Ray can analyze multiple language levels at the same time. We'll keep both PHP and C and C++ selected. We can also set the maximum analyzing time. We'll leave it as 300 seconds, which is the default value. Let's start analyzing. The system will keep performing different rounds of analysis. Now, it's executing the first round. The first round is done, and it's on to the second one already. That's enough for this case. Let's stop analyzing. We can see it automatically creates an analysis report. This is the type of problem we are going to diagnose. It's memory. This is the PHP memory object reference path occupying the most memory. As you can see, the HTML source string of a web page takes up nearly 40 megabytes of memory. Product page is an attribute of the controller class where the string is stored. The main function of the route class is to map URL requests to controller methods. Click on More. This data reference path is automatically inferred from this PHP LAN GC object memory distribution flame graph. Below are more detailed explanations and suggestions regarding the current issue. Let's go back to the original PHP data reference path. Copy product page property. Go to the PHP application's source directory. Search for the files containing the product page variable identifier via grep command. This is the source line number of the assignment statement. Copy the name of the source file. Use the Vim editor to open the source file. You can use any editor you like. Here is where the property is defined. Go to line 40. This statement assigns a value to the product page property. This will create a large memory object. It is recommended to use streaming response to optimize memory usage. OpenResty X-Ray can also monitor online processes automatically and show analysis reports. Go to the Insights page. You can find the reports on the Insights page for daily and weekly periods. For this reason, you don't have to use the guided analysis feature. Though guided analysis is useful for application development and demonstration purposes. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.